What's going on, guys? Welcome to part three. Okay, we're going to talk about breaking the cycle, how to think like an institution, right? So, hopefully, this is helping you guys out. If you guys are enjoying this, again, like this video, subscribe, also share this with another trader or anybody you think that could really benefit from this information. Okay, so we talked about a lot. Hopefully, those previous videos did help you, right? So, now moving forward, we have to understand that most people get trapped in a cycle. They borrow when rates are low. We panic, right? When rates are high. And we repeat that same mistake every decade, right? Because they understand human behavior, okay? But the institutions, they use the cycle, they understand liquidity, sentiment, and they understand psychology. And they profit when everybody else is reacting, right? So all you got to do is think about what is your behavior when each of these things are happening. Most of us are reacting to the problem and not trying to be ahead of it or understand it. We're not even trying to understand it. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to shift from being trapped in a system to using the system. Okay, because once you learn how money truly moves, you will never look at the markets the same. Okay, or your life will probably won't be the same after this when you start applying it, because the difference is about applying this information. Every economy now moves in cycles. Okay, when liquidity expands, risk assets rise, right? So we look at it from when there's quantitative easing, more money into the economy, risk assets like stock markets rise. Okay, inflation rises as well, then the central bank tightens. Okay, things break, they print again. So this is just the cycle. Okay, retail traders, every day we react emotionally for every phase. Like every single phase, we react emotionally. Okay, institutions anticipate the behavior. Everything is planned. Nothing is by surprise anymore. Everything is calculated. Okay, so that's how we have to start approaching these things. They know when the Fed is going to raise interest rates. They know when credit slows. They know when credit slows, opportunities come because the Feds would eventually pivot. This is the thing, is institutions, right? They know when the little data points are adding up, leading towards something major, that's going to force the Feds to go another way, because it's just a pattern, and they identify the pattern. And when they do, they're able to position themselves ahead. Okay. So all of this is not by luck, right? We obviously know this. And this is what I want to help you guys and teach you guys. And this is what I do in a private group every single day. If you guys are interested in learning this, like, just press the link in my bio so you guys can have access, okay? So the mindset that we need to adopt as traders, investors, and leaders, because I want you guys to also be future leaders by learning this stuff, okay? So now we're going to talk about how the institutions use this cycle. So when the Feds cut interest rates, institutions borrow cheap capital and buy assets, right? So this is what we're going to start seeing now. We're already seeing it. We're already anticipating the Feds right now are going to cut interest rates. And we're seeing how when they do that, people could borrow more money because money becomes cheaper. They could buy the stock market, like real estate, equities. We see commodities, right? We see everything is going great. Then when the Feds tighten, they sell those same assets back to the publics for premium prices. Okay, they don't complain about inflation, they just hedge. We panic when there's recessions, right? They accumulate. Okay, they know how the game works because they position themselves ahead of the game, right? It's not emotion. It's just all strategic, right? While us as retail traders, because we all fall through this, I want you guys to think, like, what's happening. We always look at from our perspective is, man, what's going on, right? What's happening? While institutions ask, what's next? That's the difference. We got to turn into that what's next mentality, because if we're able to get ahead of it, and we could predict, like, not just predict because it's a cycle, but if we can anticipate what's going to happen next, you could shift your mindset. You could shift the way you are getting into the markets. Okay, so the mindset shift. The goal is to think like a bank. Think like an institution. Don't think like yourself, right? Because if we're staying with who we are, we are the ones being used, slaves, and we're being thrown back and forth in the system. We have to think like them, okay? To use the cycle, we must stop consuming it, okay? Think like a bank, not like a borrower. Think like a lender, not like a spender. Think like a builder, not like a bystander. So when we're able to shift our way of thinking like them, we're going to start operating differently. All right. So I want you guys to ask yourself, how can I benefit from this policy move instead of being broke by it? What's happening next? How could you position yourself for it? When money is cheap, accumulate assets, right? That produces cash flow. When money is expensive, protect liquidity, cut risk, prepare for the rebound, right? So when money is cheap, we see that the stock markets rise. You can position yourself for that. You can start selling gold, right? You can see safe havens get weaker. When money starts getting expensive, you can start selling the stock market, right? We'll see that safe havens, gold, dollar, yen get stronger, right? We're going to see these things happen. And this is how you prepare yourself for these situations. When panic hits, right? That, like when panic, this is what we learned in 2020. Everything was a panic, but that was the transfer of wealth, right? We understand that. They look at these things as opportunities. The cycle doesn't enslave the aware, it rewards the people who are prepared for it. Okay? So now I want you guys to turn your awareness into action. How can you start using a cycle instead of being used by it moving forward? Educate your mind. Track central bank tones. Don't swipe on TikTok all day and get distracted by society every single day. Not saying that it's wrong, but you probably know a celebrity crush or what celebrity's pregnant or what is the next trend more than what the central banks are doing next. Make sense, right? So fix that. Build cash flow. What is your side business? What is a skilled income that you get good at? Trading, right? How are you betting your trading skill set? How are you prepping for this as a trader, right? Because all of this stuff is just what's going to help improve your mindset, right? Store value wisely. This is why gold is at all-time highs, man. This is why people can survive inflation. They know where to store their value when it comes into the markets, even into their personal life. Where people are broke and still going on vacations that they can't afford. Right now, there's payment plans like Kalina and those payment monthly plans. A person can't afford to buy this $100 shoes and they're gonna grab debt that could pay it monthly just to get stuff that doesn't help their value, right? You got to break out of that mindset, guys. Because if you don't work on it now, when you're a millionaire, you're going to spend your money just as recklessly as you do now. That's the whole goal, okay? Invest in your transformation because awareness without discipline still leads back into slavery. Because if you're not changing, you are currently reacting to how society wants you to react. And you have to think of it from that perspective. Okay. So now just going to end this to you guys. The truth is the system isn't going away, but once you understand it, it loses its power over you. You stop living check to check and you're going to stop trading off of fear. You're going to start trading off of flows. You're going to stop reacting to news and start anticipating it. That's how institutions win. Now it's our turn, right? It's your turn now to get ready to break out of this because it's whenever this video is out, I don't want to say the year because how God knows how long this is going to go. But we're at a time now where you could get this information and take it seriously because to win in life, it's not a secret. When you understand how the world works, you understand that, oh, I want to be successful, but you don't know who runs the money. You want to be successful financially, you don't pay attention to who controls the value of the money. You don't pay attention to how money flows. You only pay attention to when it hits your bank account after you work your 9-to-5 job, after you get home from work. So when you're able to pay attention to this stuff, you're going to be more aware. That's when you're going to be more dangerous. That's when you can start building yourself. You're going to start separating yourself from a lot of people. Like all of this stuff is about awareness, because once you can start developing this mindset, everything else is just going to start flowing and aligning with you. So whatever you want to do, alignment is going to come. All right, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this is helpful. All right? Maybe I'll do some more. Let me know if you guys want more of this. Okay? But again, I always spit these gems in a private group. If you guys want to join, be a part of our inner circle. But if you guys enjoy stuff like this, let me know in the comment section. I do something else. If there's anything else y'all want to talk about, let me know. Love you guys. Have a good one.